In this video, you'll learn how to create and verify a Binance account using your identity. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the registration process and ensure your account is fully verified for trading. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Binance website URL to navigate to the home page. Once the home page loads, look for the register button, typically located in the upper right corner. Click on this button to open the registration page. On the registration page, you will see options to sign up using either your email address or your phone number. Choose your preferred method and enter the required information. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements indicated on the page. After entering your details, look for the send code button to receive a verification code via email or SMS, depending on your sign-up choice. Enter the code in the designated field to verify your contact information. Once you've verified your email or phone number, carefully read and accept the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. After this, click on the Create Account button to finalize the basic registration process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been created successfully. At this point, you are ready to proceed to the identity verification step. To begin the identity verification, navigate to your profile settings. This can usually be accessed by clicking on your account icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Look for the identity verification option in the menu and click on it. Follow the prompts to upload the required identity documents, such as a government-issued ID. Ensure that the documents are clear and that all details match the information you provided during registration. After uploading the documents, you will need to complete a facial verification process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to take a live photo that matches your identity documents. Once you have completed these steps, submit your verification request. It is essential to double-check that all details are accurate before submission to avoid delays. Now, you will need to wait for your verification to be processed. This approval time may vary, so be patient. You can check the verification status by returning to the dashboard. Once your identity is verified, you will receive a confirmation notification. This confirmation allows you to access all the features of your Binance account. Be sure to save this verification confirmation for your records as it completes your setup. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.